Mr. Rowland.
First case is, let's see, Mr. Mace. First case is cause number 25 CCCR 2080. Case is style of state of Texas versus Charlene Moak. Ms. Moak, your full name is Charlene Moak.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Ms. Moak? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Moak, you're represented in your case by your attorney John Macy. Mr. Macy, how are you?
I'm fine, Your Honor. Thanks for asking.
You're welcome. State is represented in this case by attorney Shan Hilton. Mr. Hilton, how are you doing?
I'm good, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mr. Macy, what is your announcement in Ms. Moak's case?
Your Honor, I applied for pretrial diversion
Oh,
for her. However, they said that was the wrong program. So my understanding is she may qualify for BIP. And so I want to ask for a reset so I can see if I can get her accepted into the BIP program.
okay. That'll be second week in April.
April 13th.
April 13th. This case will be reset to April 13th, 2026. Smokey, you can get your reset from our board coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And on Terrence, that was the person that
Here,
signed up for BIP.
This is
Okay.
the contract he signed Thursday.
Okay,
I just guess they didn't give y'all
Yeah.
notice,
We haven't received the list yet, Your Honor.
but this is a copy of the contract. So he was there. I was there as well.
so what we'll do, we just give it a standard reset and then
Once we get the list, we'll
dis-
file it.
yeah,
So
once we get the
report and let
dismissal.
Mr. Macy know.
then that.
Okay. So once you do that, then he won't have to come back next
Right.
time.
Right,
And that's my mistake, Judge, for telling me he didn't have to be here this morning. He'd call me at like 7:30 this morning.
okay, yeah, we was kind of assuming that we would have.
Yeah,
the
I thought
dismissal.
you had it.
Okay. Okay,
Thank you, Judge.
okay, you can get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Yeah, and those are my only two cases.
Okay, you are.
Thank you.
Yeah, you can. Morning, Judge Edwards.
Okay,
Morning, Judge. I'm Joe Garcia. I'm here on Julio Garcia Hernandez, Your Honor.
okay,
This is a gentleman, we're trying to get him into PTI, Your Honor.
is that the pretrial diversion?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Let's see.
It's on the pre-trial note, Your Honor.
Okay, Julio Garcia Hernandez?
Right.
Okay, how you doing, Mr. Hernandez?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm doing fine. And Mr. Hernandez, you're representing your case by your attorney, Jose Garcia.
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Garcia, how you doing?
Good, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm doing fine. And you announced that you're trying to get him into the pretrial diversion program?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, give us an April reset date.
April 13th.
Okay, this case will be reset to April 13th,
Yes, Your Honor.
2026. give him an opportunity to get him into the pretrial diversion program.
Thank you, Your
You
Honor.
can get your reset and you're free to go.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Ms. Clark, yes, you may be excused. Ms. Kaufman. Danny Ariola? Okay, Mr. Ariola, you can come forward. Mr. Ariola, your full name is Danny Chavez Ariola.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Ariola, you represented in your case, your attorney Christy Compton. Ms. Compton, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Your Honor.
And the state is represented in this case by attorney Cornelius Williams. Mr. Williams, how are you doing?
I'm well, thank you.
And Ms. Compton, what's your announcement in Mr. Ariola's case?
My announcement is, Your Honor, I'm still waiting on my client to get me letters so I can submit it for pretrial diversion. So I've talked to him again that I need the letters.
Okay. And Mr. Ariola, I think the next sign-up date is April. We're gonna reset this case to April. That'll be April 13th?
Yes.
Okay, to give your attorney an opportunity to apply for pretrial diversion on your behalf. Okay, but you need to get her the information that she needs. So because she needs to submit that information to the district attorney's office. And they will consider that information when they decide whether or not to accept or reject you in that program.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Okay, you're gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you. Happy Valentine's Day.
All right, send you. Okay, Aubrey Grace Kennedy. How are you doing? I'm doing fine. And you're represented in your case by your attorney Christian Carlton. And Mrs. Carlton, what's your announcement in Ms. Kennedy's case?
Your Honor, I received a anger management form from Mr. Hilton. My client has signed it. I have signed it. I've given it to Mr. Hilton and he's going to take care of it. And once he gets it submitted, I will then be able to reapply her for pretrial diversion.
Okay,
It's a new thing that they're doing at the DA's office.
okay. Okay, so we're gonna reset this case to April 13th, 2026.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, you can get your reset. Once you get your reset, Ms. Carlton, you'll be, I think this is your last case.
Yes, Your
Okay,
Honor.
you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And Ms. Kennedy, once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
They said it was in. Well, they said it was in the courtroom somewhere. I went up there, they said, they don't have it, really,
Then Jeff got an announcement on Pickens, he's got a felony case down, he said, Mr. Pickens.
Yes.
Got a companion felony case,
So-
it's been reset, he's back in this court.
Oh, yeah, okay.
No, I can't do it. Are you?
Okay, Mr. Pickens, your full name is Christopher Jacoby Pickens.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing?
Pretty good, myself.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. And you're represented in your case by your attorney Nathan Reynolds. Mr. Reynolds, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Judge, thank you.
That's good. Mr. Reynolds, what's your announcement in Mr. Pickens' case?
Pickens has a companion felony case that arose out of the same set of facts and circumstances as this misdemeanor case. We were just in Judge West Court, and I believe they are going to resolve the felony case on the next resetting. They've reset his case for 30 days. He doesn't have an exact date yet, but I asked that this case be set on that same date.
Okay, this case will be reset to the felony date once we get the date from the felony court. In the meantime, you're free to go. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Make sure that on the date that this case is reset to, along with your felony case, that you come to this court first. Check in with the bailiff and then go to the felony court. Once you finish your felony court, then you'll come back here.
Yes, sir.
All right?
All right.
So you're free to go, and you have a blessed day. Mr. Reynolds is, oh, you have another one. You're free to go. You have a blessed day. And I think you have Jasmine Holloway. That person is in custody.
Yeah, yes.
They must have I don't know if they have a felony sentence there or not. They do.
Yeah, I think she's waiting on having the case also. So I,
Just let us know
if,
what happened, get disposed of.
yeah, if we could just reset it.
If it gets disposed of, but well, it all depends on what that person gets. If they get jail time,
And let
we probably can reset it to Thursday. If
find who, period.
okay. What happened, Mr. Vasquez? Are you ready on yours or you need?
I mean, I don't know. We're done. I don't know the.
Kendrick LaMichael Buckley?
Yeah. Judge Sonny Jurgensen died.
Oh,
91 years old.
wow. This is cause number 25 CCCR 0468. Case is style of state of Texas versus Kazua Leslie Water. And Mr. Water, that is your full name, is that correct?
That's correct.
And now your attorney of record is Jacob Wheeler, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor. I work for Mr. Wheeler.
Okay, and what's your name?
Jake Laredo. Jake or Laredo, Laredo.
Okay. And Attorney Laredo, how are you doing?
Great, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Now, what's your announcement in Mr. Waters' case?
Mr. Water actually signed the pretrial contract last Thursday. I know y'all haven't gotten it yet.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
okay. We're gonna give it a standard reset. Give the DA's office opportunity to get that dismissal down to us. And once the case is dismissed, it won't have to show up on that date because the case will be dismissed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Mr. Water, you're gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. So Loretta, once you get your reset, you're free to go as well.
Thank you. May I have you?
Yes, you may be excused.
No, I mean, 3 days. Please, working.
Adam Wade Satterfield.
Present, Your Honor. Your Honor, Mr. Satterfield works out of town and I need 30 days to go over everything with him while he's in town and all.
Okay. How are you doing, Mr. Satterfield?
Good, sir.
That's good. And how are you doing, Mr. Macon?
It's Monday, I'm here.
Okay, well, that's a blessing. Now, give us a reset date. This is on page 5 of the pretrial conference docket. Case at the top, first case. Okay, this case will be reset to March 9th, 2026.
Oh, well.
Once you get your reset,
Maybe.
okay, once you get your reset from our court coordinator, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Mr. Macon, you have any more cases?
One more, Your Honor. Waylon Easley, he's here, Your Honor. And
Mr. Easley, you come
I
forward.
also need 30 days with him. He's been working out of town.
How you doing, Mr. Easley?
Pretty good yourself.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. We're gonna reset Mr. Easley case on the same date. Ms. Balkay, we're gonna reset it on the same date. Okay, once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Ms. Provo, Haley Schulmeyer is on Zoom. How are you doing, Ms. Schulmeyer?
Good. How about
That's
you?
good. I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And Ms. Schulmeyer, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Marvel Provo. Ms. Provo, how are you doing? And Ms. Provo, what's your announcement in Ms. Schulmeyer's case?
Your Honor, we would like to have this retained on the pre-trial document. I turned in the bid application to the DA. I'm just waiting to Mr. Hubble make a decision on it.
Okay, give us a reset date. Yes, it'll be April. Okay, this case will be reset to April 13th, 2026, to give that district attorney's office opportunity to respond to Ms. Schumeyer's application for the BIP program,
No, and-
anger management.
Yes, no.
All right, now, Ms. Schumeyer, your attorney and your bondsman will be given notice of your reset date. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to
Yes.
go, and you have a blessed day.
You too.
Thank you. And Ms.
Not one more.
Provo, you have another?
It's on the trial document. Yes, page 4.
You said the trial, no.
Reset on felony. He's in jail. No. No announcement. Something. Page 4.
Okay, so his felony was reset,
From my understanding, it's reset.
is,
Yeah, I think it's next court day is next Monday.
Monday coming? Okay.
Sherry, we said.
Okay. She'll check the,
February 3rd.
We'll be here.
Each process. What's the status of his case, his felon?
It's still separate.
Okay, but we don't know what happened. I thought it was reset.
That's why I thought it must have been one case. He was reset.
Well, what we'll do is, she'll check, what she'll do, she'll check the computer. And if it's if the case, if his felony case was not disposed of, then we'll give him a standard 30-day reset. If it was disposed of, then we'll set it for Thursday. Okay. All right, we're free to go. Yeah, let me see. Manuel Sanchez Oliva. He's on the trial docket. His Gilthorpe. He must be trying to take his mic off of mute. He's on Zoom.
Mr. Gilthorpe on Zoom as well?
Gilthorpe had filed a motion and said somebody was an unopposed motion for continuance.
Okay.
I don't know, I guess he talked to somebody in the prosecutor's office. Who's the prosecutor?
I have.
Okay. Mr. Oliva is having a problem trying to get his mic off of mute. So you're in agreement with this unopposed motion? Okay. I'm gonna have to tell Mr. Oliva. Okay, Mr. Oliva, if you can hear me, your case has been reset. That is, you'll be given another court date. Your attorney filed a motion for continuance. Actually, so stay in contact with and this motion is unopposed, so stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day. This is cause number 25 CCC Aura 2092. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Kendrick LaMichael Buckley. And Mr. Buckley, is that your full name, Kendrick LaMichael Buckley?
Yes.
Mr. Buckley, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Mr. Buckley, you may put your hand down now. Mr. Buckley, how are you doing? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Buckley, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Joel Vasquez. Attorney Vasquez, how are you doing?
Good, Your Honor. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Vasquez, do you waive a record in Mr. Buckley's case?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Buckley, I have before me on my computer document that is titled Information. this information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Kendrick LaMichael Buckley, on or about June 22nd of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed a Class B misdemeanor offense of racing on a highway. Mr. Buckley, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to this charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? Now, you're pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charge?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Buckley, I also have before me on my tablet a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And on page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials on a line next to a box that's checked nolo contingent, which means no contest. You place your initials on this document.
Yes, sir.
On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes.
On page, well, at the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
The second box that's checked states that you are waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
I have another document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Okay.
Now, Mr. Buckley, before you signed and initialed all of the documents that I just showed you, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes.
And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
Is everything in these documents true and correct
Yes, sir.
to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Mr. Buckley, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
State, would you like to offer State's Exhibit number 1?
So tender, John.
Any objections?
No,
No objections. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. I also have before me, let's see. Now, Mr. Vasquez, you advised and counseled Mr. Buckley. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
And Mr. Buckley, your attorney, Mr. Vasquez has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Buckley, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
1 year deferred adjudication, Judge, $115 fine and 6 hours of community service. Is that correct, Mr. Vasquez?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, thank you.
Okay, Mr. Buckley, the state is offering that you serve 1 year deferred adjudicated probation. During the 1 year probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $115 plus court costs. What's the court cost?
$330.
Plus court costs of $330. Mr. Vasquez, were you appointed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, now, Mr. Buckley, the state is offering that you serve 1 year deferred adjudicated probation during the 1 year probationary period. You'll be required to pay a fine of $115 plus court costs of $330. You'll also be required to pay a probation fee of $60 a month, your analysis fee of $15 a month, a reimbursement fee of $15. And you'll be required to reimburse Jefferson County Court appointed attorney's fees of $350. Your total monthly installments, that is a total amount that you will be required to pay each month, is $155 a month. Are you able to pay the $155 each month? You are? You will also be required to perform 60 hours of community service. And you will be required to adhere to the other standard terms and condition of this probation. Now, Mr. Buckley, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
Do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Buckley, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Mr. Buckley, if you successfully complete this program, this probationary period, this case will be dismissed. It will not result in a conviction on your record. And you may qualify for a non-disclosure whereby your record will be sealed to the general public. You can talk to your attorney about the non-disclosure because he's quite competent in those matters. Now, Mr. Buckley, how old are you?
18.
18. Wow. Believe it or not, Mr. Buckley, I was 18 for 365 days. Okay. And I know when I was 18, I had people that I called my friends. I know you have people you call your friends. I think these days you call them your BFF or your ride or die. But in my day, we used to call them an ace boom coon. Okay. These are people that we figured would be with us when we were down and out. When we fought, when we was down, they'll pick us up. But, you know, on days like today, those individuals that you call your BFF or your ride or die, they're not here because they had something better to do than to be down here with you in court. But there is somebody who is with you today. And who is that person?
My friend's mom.
Your friend's mom. Okay. Ma'am, thanks for coming down here with him. You know, I tell people this all the time. Everybody not your friend, everybody not your partner. But I guess that lady says she got you, she got you. Okay. Now, you're blessed to have somebody who is here with you. Okay. Now, this is probably not the proudest day of her life, but she's here to support you. And that's a good thing because a lot of people don't have anybody to support them. But you are blessed. Now, you might think that, well, you know, I was racing, you might thought it was something trivial, but you never know. Your life could have ended or somebody else's life could have ended by the decision that you made on that day. Okay? But for the grace of God, nobody lost a life. Okay? And you might think that you're walking in a storm, but just remember this here. When you're walking through a storm, hold your head high and don't be afraid of the dark. At the end of the storm, there's a golden sky and a sweet silver song of a lark. Walk on through the wind. Walk on through the rain, though your dreams be tossed and blown. Walk on with hope in your heart, and you'll never walk alone. There's one thing about hope. Hope floats. So anytime that you are confused, drowning in a sea of confusion, don't know what to do, thinking about giving up, just hold on to hope. Hope floats. It'll keep your head above water. Okay? Now, some people might look at this as a stumbling block, but you can look at it as a stepping stone. And a stepping stone, people use stepping stones to reach higher heights. I say that to say this, anything that you want to accomplish in your life, you still can do it. And whatever dreams that you have, you still can accomplish those dreams. Okay? But you're going to have to put in the work that it takes. Okay? You're going to have to put in the work that it takes. And you can do it. Okay? You just have to put your mind to it. Okay? Now, as I mentioned to you earlier, you got deferred adjudication. Get through this here program. Then this case will not appear on your record as a conviction. All right? You're going to stand at the end of the table, follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following the direction of the bailiff, please, you know, then you'll be free to go. Ma'am, thanks for coming down here with it. And you have a blessed day. You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. This is on the case, Mr. Vasquez?
Yes.
Okay, you're free to go and you have a blessed day as well. Larry Stoker. This is cause number 25 CCCR 0716, case of style of state of Texas versus Larry Stoker. Mr. Stoker, is that your full name? Stoker, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth so help you God? Stoker, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Stoker? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Stoker, you're representing your case by your attorney, Giles Cole. Mr. Cole, how are you doing?
Great job.
That's good. Now, Mr. Cole, do you waive a record in Mr. Stoker's case?
Yes, we do.
Mr. Stoker, I have before me a document that is titled information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Larry Stoker, on or about February 16th of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of fleeing police officer. Mr. Stoker, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes.
And to this charge, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, no contest? Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily? It's okay. And are you pleading, let's see, no contest freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges? Mr. Stoker, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. You recognize this document? On page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials on a line next to a box that's checked no contendere, which means no contest. You place your initials on this document. On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Is this your signature? Okay, on the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, you recognize this document? Is this your signature? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? Second box that's checked states that you are waiving your right to the appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? I also have a document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendants? Before you signed and initialed all of these documents that I just showed you, did your attorney go over these documents with you? Did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? And Mr. Stoker, are you a citizen of the United States? You're a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
State over state exhibit one.
Objection, states one.
No objection. States exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Cole, you've advised and counseled Mr. Stoker Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Stoker, your attorney, Mr. Cole, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation? Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation? Mr. Stoker, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
We'd ask the court for 9 months of deferred adjudication, a fine of $500 with repayment of court costs, and 40 hours of community service.
What's the court cost in this case? 30. And Mr. Cole, were you appointed?
Yes, I was, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Stoker, the state is offering that you serve 9 months deferred adjudicated probation, 29-month probationary period. You'll be required to pay a fine of $500 plus court costs of $330. You'll also be required to pay a probation fee of $60 a month, your analysis fee of $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15, and you'll be required to reimburse Jefferson County court-appointed attorney's fees of $350. Your total monthly installments in this case is $234 a month. Are you able to pay the $234 each month? Okay, Mr. Stoker, I'm handing your attorney a document that is titled Jefferson County Affidavit. Indigence. Do you recognize that document?
Yes, sir.
Is everything in that document still the same? You still making the same income?
Yeah, you're still making some.
It's the same? Let me see. Let me do this here. Now you're, okay, Mr. Stoker. The state is offering that you serve 9 months deferred adjudicated probation. During the 9-month probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $500 plus court costs of $330, which comes to a total of fine and court costs of $830. That $830 will be converted. Let's see, the court is gonna, first of all, the court is gonna find that you're indigent. And $830 will be converted to 69 hours of community service. And that's pursuant to Article 42.15 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. The attorney's fees in this case will be waived pursuant to Article 26.05 G-11 Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. Reimbursement fee in this case, $15 will be waived pursuant to Article 102.018 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. The probation fee in this case will be waived pursuant to Article 42A.652 Texas Code of Criminal Procedure because the court finds that the payment of the probation fees will cause you to have significant financial hardship. So therefore, it will be waived. The urinalysis fee in this case is $15 a month. So you'll be required to pay a total of $17 a month. Okay, do you understand that? You'll also be required to perform 40 hours of community service in addition to the 69 hours of community service that was converted from fine and court costs, which comes to a total of 109 hours of community service. Do you understand that? You'll also be required, you will also be required to adhere to the other standard terms and condition of this probation. Now, Mr. Stoker, do you understand the state's offer and the findings that the court have, that the findings that the court made in this case? And do you think that it's fair and it's just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the offer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement that you've entered into with the state. And now, Mr. Stoker, if you successfully complete this probationary period, this case will be dismissed. It will not result in a conviction in your record. And you may qualify for non-disclosure, whereby your record will be sealed to the general public. You can talk to your attorney about the non-disclosure because he's quite competent in those matters. Now, Mr. Stoker, you're gonna have a seat in that first chair on the wall because the court coordinator will redo the paperwork. And once the paperwork is complete, you'll go to the window and you'll follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day. Mr. Cole, is this your only case?
Yes, it is.
Okay, you're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day. Ms. Simmons?
Here we have, Mr. Galmore.
Galmore. Oh, man. Thomas Russo. Mr. Russo, your full name is Thomas Russo.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Russo?
Fine, Judge, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Russo, your attorney of record is attorney Dustin Galmore.
Yes.
Mr. Galmore is not here. However, standing in for Mr. Galmore is attorney Haley Simmons. Does Ms. Simmons have your permission to stand in for Mr. Galmore?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and Ms. Simmons, how are you doing?
I'm great, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And Ms. Simmons, would you like to keep this case on the court's trial docket?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, give us a trial date. Okay, this case was reset to March 16th at 9 a.m. Gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset from the court coordinator, Mr. Russo, you're free to go. You have a blessed day, Ms. Simmons. Is this your only case?
No, Your Honor, I believe we have one more on the pre-trial conference docket.
That's okay.
Oh, he's on Zoom. Justin Andrew Taylor, he's on Zoom.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Taylor, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, Judge. How are you doing today?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Taylor, your attorney of record is attorney Dustin Galmore. Attorney Galmore is not here. However, standing in for attorney Galmore is attorney Haley Simmons. Does Ms. Simmons have your permission to stand in for Mr. Galmore?
Yes, Judge, she does.
Okay. And Ms. Simmons, what is your announcement in Mr. Taylor's case?
I do believe it's gonna be the same announcement as last time, Your Honor. We're waiting for some documents from Mr. Taylor. We haven't got those just yet. If we could have it reset one last time to the April signing for pre-trial version.
Oh, okay. Give us a reset. Okay, this case will be reset to April 13th, 2026. Now, Mr. Taylor, your attorney needs that paperwork so that they can submit your application to the district attorney's office to see if you qualify for pretrial diversion. So you need to get that paperwork to them. And your
Yes,
case,
sir.
okay, and your case is reset till April 13th, 2026. Stay in contact with your attorney advisement. They will be given notice of your reset. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir, you do the same. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You're free to go as well.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
I understand from her felony lawyer that she is on the MTRP docket.
Oh, she revoked, okay.
And they'll probably dispose of that case today. And he indicated that whatever they do down there, they will
Dispose of this one as well?
probably, yes.
Okay,
I mean, if not, I just asked you to be placed on the jail run Thursday.
Okay.
If it's still in.
okay,
No objection.
okay. Yeah, we just reset it to Thursday. Now, if it gets handled today, if you get some jail time, we'll just,
Yeah.
and if they
That
dispose of the misdemeanor,
They act like whatever they get, they'd probably dismiss the misdemeanor.
okay,
But if it's still hanging, we'll have to understand.
okay. Okay,
Yeah, that's fine.
all right, you free to go.
Thank you.
When Randy next door, he's gonna know what was the drug.
Okay. Willie Gidry? Hey, how you doing, Mr. Gidry? That's good. Now, Mr. Gidry, you're represented in this case by your attorney Langston Adams. Mr. Adams, how are you doing?
Can't complain, Judge.
Okay. Now, Mr. Adams, I think Mr. Gidry signed up or signing up for anger management.
Right.
Yeah, Your Honor, he's filled out the application and turned it into our office, and I turned that into the people in charge of that program, and we're waiting for processing to get it to him to let him know what classes
Right.
to complete.
He's done his.
Okay,
He's
yeah.
done everything he's supposed to do.
Yeah,
Okay.
that is correct, John.
So let's just reset it, standard reset.
Can we do the April 13th with the other
That's fine.
pre-trial programs?
That's fine.
That way he doesn't have to keep coming up here.
Okay, that'll be April, it'll be reset to April 13th to give them an opportunity to process your application. And you get into that program, and then, once you complete the program, the state is dismissing the case. Okay?
All right. Thank you, Judge. We appreciate
Okay, you're gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day. Okay. Okay, you're welcome.
You've done
Okay, Mr. Patterson. This is cause number 25 CCCR 2016. Case of style of state of Texas versus Deron Dwight Patterson. Mr. Patterson, is that your full name?
Yes.
How are you doing, Mr. Patterson? That's good. Ms. Patterson, please raise your right hand. You swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Mr. Patterson, you may put your hand down. Mr. Patterson, I have before me a document that is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. Do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? And are these your initials on the line that state you would like to have your case reset to hire your own attorney? Now, before you signed and initialed this document, did you read this document? Did you understand what you read? Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Okay. Now, Mr. Patterson, your case is going to be reset to give you an opportunity to hire your own attorney. Our court coordinator is going to reset your case. And once your case is reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Please have a seat in that first chair on the wall. Yeah,
It's not a.
okay, okay.
Maybe the basis.
Oh, that's Terrence. Let's see. Ryan Pete. Okay, Mr. Pete, you have two cases. They are cause numbers 25 CCCR 1164 and cause number 25 CCCR 1165. Both cases are style of state of Texas versus Ryan Baxter Pete. Mr. Pete, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Pete?
Sir.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Pete, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Ryan Gertz. Mr. Gertz, how are you doing?
I'm great, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Gertz. What is your announcement in Mr. Pete's cases?
Judge, we're asking for some additional time to review discovery on this. There's some medical complications related to the DWI allegations that we need to work through and may involve us obtaining an expert and
Okay.
some other issues. So
Okay. Okay, Mr. Pete. Let me do this here. Mr. Pete, your case is going to be reset. Your case is going to be reset. And our court coordinator is going to give you a court date. Once you get you reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Please have a seat in the first chair on the wall. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. Court is in session and calls numbers M 332-146 and calls number M 332-144. Both cases are styled in the state of Texas versus Charles William Ritchie Jr. Mr. Ritchie, would you please come forward with your attorney? Mr. Ritchie, your full name is Charles William Ritchie Jr.?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Ritchie, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Ritchie, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Ritchie?
Doing well, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Ritchie, you're represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney Ryan Gertz. And Mr. Gertz, how are you doing?
I'm great, Judge. Thank you.
You are. Now, Mr. Gertz, do you waive a record in Mr. Ritchie's cases?
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Ritchie, in cause number M 332-146, I have before me a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges it alleges that you, Charles William Ritchie Jr., on or about January 29th of 2022, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, operating a motor vehicle in a public place, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated, alcohol concentration level of 0.15 or more. Mr. Ritchie,
So Judge, you'd be pleading to the lesser.
okay, you're gonna have to,
It's checked on, it's checked on the judge.
not checked on here. This is Ritchie,
Correct.
4-6, yeah,
And
it's not checked. Should be the lesser included. And you have to write it on that plea form that y'all waiving the enhancement paragraph.
It is.
It's on- it's on-
Yeah, first, Judge.
Yeah, but that doesn't make it, you have to, on this here box,
Could you, I'm sorry.
oh. Yeah. Let's just see. Really, I've been locked, hold on, I've been locked up. Could you unlock this for me? Yeah, there's a box right here, it says plead or lesser included offense, right here on the plea form. That has to be checked and you to say what lesser included is.
UWI first.
Okay, now, Mr. Ritchie. The state is abandoning the enhancement paragraph in this information. What that basically means is instead of being charged with a Class A misdemeanor driving while intoxicated offense, you will be charged with a lesser included Class B misdemeanor driving while intoxicated offense. Now, to the Class B misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated while you were operating a motor vehicle in a public place in Jefferson County, Texas, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, and no contest?
Guilty, Your Honor.
Okay? And are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see, state. They can lock me out again. It's not doing that. Hold on. Okay, now, Mr. Rich, I have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Play Admonishments. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Now, you see a sentence there that says the state is abandoning an enhancement paragraph, and I place my initials there. Because you're pleading to a driving while intoxicated first. On page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials on a line next to a box that says check guilty. Place your initials on this document.
Yes, sir.
On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document that's titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir. Yes.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargaining case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
I also have a document on paper that's titled Discovery Certification. You recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled
Yes, sir,
defendant?
it is.
Now, Mr. Ritchie, before you signed and initialed these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir, it did.
And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir, it did.
Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Ritchie, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
State, would you like to offer State's Exhibit number 1?
So tender, John.
Any objections?
We have no objection, Judge.
No objections. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. And Mr. Gertz, you've advised and counseled Mr. Ritchie, is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Judge.
And Mr. Ritchie, your attorney, Mr. Gertz, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir, I am.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir, yes.
Mr. Ritchie, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement in this case?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
18 months deferred adjudication, Your Honor, a $500 fine, 40 hours community service, interlock device, and we will dispose of the UCW by 12.45 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, which is M332144-0. Is that correct, Mr. Gertz?
Yes,
It's
Judge.
1245 Texas Penal Code, okay. 1245. What's the court cost?
92.
392? 392. That's 60. Okay, Mr. Ritchie, the state is offering that you serve 18 months deferred adjudicated probation. During this 18-month probationary period, you will be required to pay a fine of $500 plus court costs of $392. You'll also be required to pay a probation fee of $60 a month, your analysis fee of $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15. You will be required to pay a DWI conviction fine fee of $100. You will also be required to pay Jefferson County DWI education and initial evaluation fee of $125 a day of the police should a further evaluation be needed. You'll be required to pay an additional $50. Now, your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay in this case is $139 a month. Will you be able to pay the $139 a month?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You will also be required to install an in-lock device on any vehicle that you're going to operate, attend a completed DWI education class, have an alcohol assessment, and adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of this probation. Now, Mr. Ritchie, the state will be dismissing the companion case, cause number M332144 by way of a 1245 or 12.45 of the Texas Penal Code. Now, Mr. Ritchie, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir, I do.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir, I do.
Mr. Ritchie, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Mr. Ritchie, if you successfully complete this probationary period, this case will be dismissed. It will not result in a conviction on your record, and you may qualify for a non-disclosure. You can talk to your attorney about the non-disclosure because he's quite competent in those matters. Now, Mr. Ritchie, please stand at the end of this counter. And you're going to follow the direction of the bailiff. Once you're finished following her directions, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, sir. You too.
Good to see you. Thanks, sir. Judge, I'm getting a little, man, I got just a couple of different questions, so.
Okay, you have
Brent Hope.
What's his
He
name?
was here. He was just sitting outside. I didn't see him.
Okay. Mr. Hope, come on up. It's Brenton Allen Hope. How you doing, Mr. Hope?
Yes, sir.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Hope, you're represented by your attorney, Attorney Gertz. And Mr. Gertz, what's your announcement in Mr. Hope's case?
Judge, we're asking for some additional time to review discovery in this case.
Okay, give us a reset date. This case will be reset to March 11th of 2026. You're gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
You too, sir.
And is this your last case?
I think so, Judge.
Okay, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Have a excuse, Judge?
Yes, you may. You may be excused.
Oh, I'm gonna try that one. Good class. No. Good. You look at it, weird. I haven't, you know, please. I'm just saying, okay.
Brandon Honey?
Sure.
How you doing, Mr. Honey?
Good, sir.
That's good. Mr. Honey, you're represented by your attorney, Rod Kimler. Mr. Kimler, how are you doing?
Well, thank you.
That's good. Mr. Kimler, you'd like to keep Mr. Honey's case on the trial docket? I think this is a case that was transferred from County Clerk Law number 3.
We're ready.
Okay, give us a date.
March 16th.
Okay, this case is set for trial on March 16th, 2026. Ms. Honey, you're gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day. Once you get your reset from our coordinator. Dwayne Albert Hickman. This is another case that was transferred from County Clerk Law number 3.
You're good.
Hey, how you doing, Mr. Hickman?
Pretty good yourself.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Hickman, you look pretty nice today.
Thank you.
Yeah. Mr. Hickman, you represented by your attorney, right, Kimberly. Mr. Kimberly, you like to keep this case on, of course, trial docket?
Yes, sure.
It was that trial date. Okay, this case is reset to March 16th for trial. Mr. Hickman, you're gonna get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Good luck.
Kenya Coleman. It's another transfer through County Clerk Law number 3. Ms. Coleman, your full name is Kenya M. Cole. How are you doing, Ms. Coleman? That's good. Ms. Coleman, you're represented by your attorney, right, Kimberly? Ms. Kimberly, you like to keep this case on, of course, trial docket.
Yes, sure.
And what date is gonna do this? Okay, this case is reset for trial March 16th. Ms. Coleman, gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. This.
Mr. Hickman.
It's me.
If you're already back up. Let's not try it.
Yeah,
So what's the? Are you gonna transfer some of that?
no, I mean, now we're gonna try. And I will, yeah, yeah.
I only have one county court.
Oh, okay. Now this is a case on Shane Tyler Leger.
He got reset in drug court a moment ago, Your Honor. She'd have to just.
Oh, he did?
return what it said.
Do you have that
I don't
court
think it-
court date?
I don't think it's been
They
reset.
haven't given it. Okay, so what we're gonna do, your case is reset. It's gonna be reset on the same date that they give you in the felony court. Now, our court coordinator is gonna continue to check the computer, and so when she gets a date, she's gonna send notice to your attorney and your bondsman. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
It'll be the same.
I won't have to say for them.
And, Mr. Kim, let's see.
I haven't been told the dollars, Your Honor. I think that. And that's a felony case, so I'm.
Who?
Okay, Collier.
Come on, misdemeanor, Judge.
Oh.
Right has a felony.
Is she here?
Yeah.
Yes. And she.
Oh, hold on a minute. Let's see if I can. Ms. Collier, what do you say? Rubio, okay. That's Michaela Collier.
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Ms. Collier?
Finding you.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. And you're represented in your misdemeanor case by your attorney, Marcus Wilkerson. Mr. Wilkerson, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Judge. Thank you for asking.
And now, Ms. Collier, your felony case was reset,
Yes, sir.
and do we know when it's, did they give you a reset date?
I don't know if Wright's gotten one yet.
It's gotta be for a contested hearing on a motion to revoke probation out of the 252nd yard. It hasn't been said yet.
Okay,
And at present, Your Honor, Miss Collier has instructed that on her misdemeanor, she wants to proceed to trial. The felony matter may dispose of the misdemeanor, so setting it concurrent, at least until that's dealt with, is in the best interest of the defendant, Judge.
okay. Give us a What date is that? Oh, that's right. So they don't have a date in the computer right now, and so when they put a date in the computer, we will send notice to your attorney and your bondsman. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman, okay? And again, it's gonna be on the same day that you're felony,
Okay,
all right?
okay,
So you're gonna do like you did today, come check in here first, then go to the felony court, and then come back here
okay.
and let us know that, okay, your case, well, you're free to go and you have a blessed day,
Thank you, Your Honor.
okay? Uh, hold on a minute. Christian Cloven Rubio? What are we doing on that?
That's gonna be a reset for pretrial diversion and evidence review, Judge.
Okay, how are you doing, Mr. Rubio?
Good, how about yourself, Judge?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. So you're gonna reset it for pretrial diversion?
We're gonna apply for pretrial diversion, Judge, and also discuss all options at an office meeting.
Okay, give us that reset.
April 13th.
Okay, your cases will be reset to April 13th, 2026. Give your attorney an opportunity to apply for pretrial diversion and also have a conference with you.
And just let's just schedule. Don't wait for the last minute, cause I get all the trial bills up, okay?
Okay, gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're Wilkerson. Well, you got
Got a couple more, Judge.
yeah, Ricky Turner. Did that person?
Where do you go?
You know what? He has to be back at 1 o'clock for trial in the CDC.
Okay,
So he was here
He was.
and
okay.
I know
So,
he's gonna be back over there. He's one of the ones that have been numbered for trial.
okay.
So I don't know if his case is gonna be the one that goes, but
So once he finished there, he needs to come check back with us to let us know what happened. If it goes to trial, we just,
And it rolls out the same set of facts, Judge.
I don't, but what I'm saying is, we won't know, it's set over there for trial. If it goes, then we'll just give him a regular reset date. If it doesn't go, we'll reset it with the felony.
yes, sir. I'll try and find out who his felony attorney is and try and get a message to him to come check back in if it doesn't
Okay.
go. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. And Mr. Wilkerson,
I've got
think
one
this-
more, Judge.
you, must be in this page. Wilkerson. Cobb,
Harold Getz.
Rubio.
Pretrial conference docket, Your Honor.
Cheryl Getz.
Was outside, so.
Where makes, I mean,
Jefferson County Court, law number 2 is back in session. Court is in session and calls number 25 CCCR 0730. Case of Styles of State of Texas versus Cheryl A. Getz. Ms. Getz, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Ms. Getz?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Getz, you're represented in your case by your attorney Marcus Wilkerson. Ms. Wilkerson, what is your announcement in Ms. Getz' case?
Your Honor, we have asked for a couple of continuances to try and resolve a matter with the defendant participating in the Veterans Court program. Ms. Getz has informed me that she would rather now apply for a pretrial diversion. And so I'd ask
Okay.
for one more reset, Judge, to give us an opportunity to do that.
Okay,
And that should resolve the case either way.
okay.
Mhm.
Say, do you have any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, give us a reset. Okay, this case will be reset to April 13th, 2026. Give your attorney an opportunity to apply for the pretrial diversion program. You will get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go.
Thank you.
And you have a blessed day. And thank your attorney and folks that your son was sick.
Thank you.
We'll be praying that your son have a full and speedy recovery.
I'm gonna come with me, so I'm sitting out in the hall.
Okay,
Thank you so much.
okay, you welcome.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, and you're free to go.
Thank you.
Yeah, and both of y'all have a blessed day. Yes. It says felony was reset. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cases. All 6 cases are style of state of Texas versus Delvin LaRon Baker. Delvin Baker was scheduled to be in court at 9 a.m. At about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called the name of Delvin Baker at the courthouse door. Delvin Baker did not answer. Delvin Baker has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 12:13 p.m. on today's date of February 9th of 2026. Ms. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Delvin Baker at the courthouse door?
Delvin Baker. Delvin Baker.
Okay, Delvin Baker's name was just called again at the courthouse door. Delvin Baker did not answer. Reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Baker an opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Please move Bob. 143 on and 1 issue.
Okay. That motion will be granted. Delvin Baker's bond will be forfeited and the warrant should be issued for his arrest in clause numbers 23 CCCR 1488, clause number 23 CCCR 1489, clause number 24 CCCR 0307, clause number 24 CCCR 0308, clause number 24 CCCR 0309, and clause number 24 CCCR 0310. Next case is cause number 24 CCCR 2380. Case is style of state of Texas versus Brandon LaFleur. Brandon LaFleur was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. At or about 9 a.m. The court's bailiff called the name of Brandon LaFleur at the courthouse door. Brandon LaFleur did not answer. Brandon LaFleur has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 12:20 p.m. on today's date of February 9th, 2026. Ms. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Brandon LaFleur at the courthouse door?
Brandon LaFleur. Brandon LaFleur. No response, Your Honor.
Brandon LaFleur's name was just called again at the courthouse door. Brandon LaFleur did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. LaFleur an opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Mr. Bob, Your Honor.
That motion will be granted. Brandon LaFleur's bond will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for his arrest in cause number 24 CCCR 2380. Next case is cause number 25 CCCR 2270. Case is style of the state of Texas versus Kelly Andrew McBride. Kelly McBride was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. At or about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called the name of Kelly McBride at the courthouse door. Kelly McBride did not answer. Kelly McBride has not appeared in the court since the court has been in session. The time now is 12:22 p.m. on today's date of February 9th, 2026. Ms. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Kelly McBride at the courthouse door?
Kelly McBride. Kelly McBride. No response, Your Honor.
Kelly McBride's name was just called again at the courthouse door. Kelly McBride did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. McBride an opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Mr. Bonner.
That motion will be granted. Kelly McBride bond will be forfeited and a warrant should be issued for his arrest. And cause number 25 CCCR 2270. Next case is cause number 25 CCCR 2042. Case is style of state of Texas versus Deanna Paul. Deanna Paul was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. At about 9 a.m., the court bailiff called the name of Deanna Paul at the courthouse door. Deanna Paul did not answer. Deanna Paul has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 12:23 p.m. on today's date of February 9th, 2026. Ms. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Deanna Paul at the courthouse door? Deanna Paul.
Deanna Paul.
Deanna Paul's name is just called again at the courthouse door. Deanna Paul did not answer. Deanna Paul has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. Deanna Paul has been given a reasonable time to appear in court. She has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Mr. Bonner.
That motion will be granted. Deanna Paul's bond will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for her arrest. And that's cause number 25 CCCR 2042. I think that's it. Who else? What docket? Okay. Okay, next case is cause number 25 CCCR 2384. Case is style of the state of Texas versus Chelsea Renee Linscomb. Chelsea Linscomb was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. At about 9 a.m., Chelsea Linscomb name was called at the courthouse door by the bailiff. Chelsea Linscomb did not answer. Chelsea Linscomb has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 12:26 p.m. on today's date of February 9th, 2026. Ms. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Chelsea Linscomb at the courthouse door? Chelsea Linscomb. Would you please call the name of Chelsea Linscomb at the courthouse door?
Chelsea Lincom. Chelsea Lincom. No response, Joe.
Chelsea Linscomb's name was just called again at the courthouse door. Chelsea Linscomb did not answer. Or reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Linscomb an opportunity to appear in court. She has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
That moves for Bonner.
That motion will be granted. Chelsea Linscomb bond will be forfeited and a warrant should be issued for her arrest in cause number 25 CCCR 2384. Mr. Tillman. Mr. Tillman on Zoom.
Think the mic's on now, Judge?
Yeah, it's on. Your
Okay, I was
attorney,
trying
Mr. Burbank, appeared here earlier and he stepped out of court and we've been trying to contact him. So we're gonna reset your case.
Okay.
And you stay in contact with your attorney.
Do you know what day is gonna be contact? I'm gonna reset it for?
You said March 9th at 9 a.m.
Okay, do I have to appear or can I use Zoom again?
Now, let me ask you this here. How old is this case? Hold on a minute. Now you'd have to appear in person.
Okay.
All right. And you have a blessed day.
March 9th, correct?
Yeah, March 9th at 9 a.m. County Court at Law Number 2, Jefferson County, Texas.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. And this will conclude the calling of the court's announcement docket, pretrial conference docket, and the trial docket. All three dockets on the day's date of February 9th, 2026. And County Court at Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas. Judge Terrence Holmes presiding. Everyone, please have a blessed day. Prosecutors, you are excused.
All right, thank you. Bye-bye.
You're welcome.